Complete weather coverage with Stephanie Sine from your local weather leader, WHAG.
And we are back this evening. Take a look at what happened earlier in the day. Today you can see we had some passing showers here in Hagerstown, even a bit on the fog side with plenty of clouds out there, but things cleared up nicely towards the end of the day here. Now we're in the dark here in Hagerstown from that sky cam. Let's head on over to our storm tracker radar and see what's happening now in the four-state region. Really not much of anything. That line of storms that currently pass through Frederick County finally making its way into the D.C. area as well as Baltimore, out of the four-state region though for us, so a dry night is ahead of us for the four-state. Let's move along with that forecast. Talk about our rainfall totals. The heaviest rain occurred in southern Pennsylvania. Take a look at that up in Chambersburg. Over an inch of rain throughout the afternoon. Here in Hagerstown, 0.3 inches, just about a half over in Martinsburg. So some spots really getting a heavy amount of rain in a very short period of time earlier this afternoon. Temperatures currently we're down to 66 here in Hagerstown, 68 in Martinsburg, 69 in Front Royal this evening, 65 out in Petersburg, 59 in Oakland, and 69 in Cumberland tonight. Let's take a look at those dew points. We have decreased a bit since our rain showers moved in, but we're still rather moist out there in the atmosphere, so still a bit muggy, unfortunately. 63 here in Hagerstown, 66 over in Frederick. Toward the western part of the four-state, not too bad, but humidity is indeed sticking around for the start of your work week. Let's talk about what's ahead for the four-state with some of our headlines here. Calmer weather finally arriving tomorrow for the beginning of your work week. We do have a few summer storms passing through the region in the middle of the week, and then warmer temperatures finally arrive again. We'll finally feel like we're actually in the beginning of August, which indeed we are. Let's talk about our day planner for the start of your work week. Early tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. That sun has not yet risen. Unfortunately, it's getting later and later in the day as we get towards the middle of the summer here. 62 degrees at 6 a.m. By 10 a.m. up to 74 degrees, 1 p.m. 79, 5 p.m. plenty of sunshine all throughout the day, a high temperature of 86 degrees. So once again, getting close to that seasonal average, high temperatures in the upper 80s. Satellite and radars finally showing most of this precipitation over Pennsylvania that we saw push through the four-state diminish and dissipate, which is good news as we cool down tonight. Those clouds are even moving out of the four-state as well. A partly cloudy sky for tonight. Temperatures across the northeastern region, 72 in Philadelphia, still on the warm side as this front hasn't quite pushed through. 66 here in Hagerstown, 68 in Charleston, West Virginia, 69 in Pittsburgh, and 66 up in Syracuse. Moving along with the forecast, here is our zone forecast from the Weather Center for tomorrow. 86 here in Hagerstown as well as in Sharpsburg, 87 over in Hancock. Light winds in the forecast, mostly sunny for tomorrow. A few spots may indeed see a shower, but most of us staying very dry tomorrow. 87 in Thurmont and 88 over in Frederick, so some spots almost making it to 90 degrees tomorrow. Definitely feeling like summer once again. 87 in Martinsburg as well as in Charlestown, 86 in Berkeley Springs and in Paw Paw. Mostly sunny for you as well. Heading on down to the Shenandoah Valley, also in the mid to upper 80 range. 86 in Winchester, 85 in Berryville. Let's head on over to the Potomac Highlands here. Kaiser sitting at 85 degrees for tomorrow. Moorfield and Petersburg, 86 degrees. Romney at 84. Moving over to the mountains to western Maryland here, 77 in Grantsville, 73 in Westernport. Cumberland getting to a toasty 87 degrees. So some spots getting a bit uncomfortable as humidity does stick around. Tomorrow won't be too oppressive on the humidity side, but that humidity does get a bit worse on Tuesday with a chance of storms right into Tuesday and into Wednesday. You can see we're finally getting back on par with those seasonable temperatures, 87 by Tuesday, but we have yet another cool down, which will be nice, at least in my opinion, on Thursday. 81 degrees and some sunshine for the remainder of your work week. And that is it for your 7-day. Let's take a look at our job.